Hello, my name is Otasoyo Sayande, and this is my Lab 2D demonstration video for electrical design and commissioning. I'm already in simulation mode in Automation Studio. Notice that I push the PB reset button, the LT power light comes on, which indicates that the safety relay is activated. Now I can push the PB extend button and the cylinder extends, and I can push the PB retract button and the cylinder retracts. Also, to indicate that the safety relay is working, once I push the emergency stop button 1, the LT light goes off and I can't extend the cylinder when I push the button. I can't retract the cylinder. Nothing works until I engage the PB reset button. So I have to turn off the stop button first. I engage the PB reset button, the light comes back up and I can extend and I can retract. Notice the same thing happens with the stop button 2. If I push the stop button 2, the light goes off and nothing works until I push this stop button back up and I push PB. It works now and extend and retract. Likewise with the gate button, the gate switch. If I engage the gate switch, the light goes off. Then I can have to turn the switch back on to the PB reset so I can extend and retract. Thank you very much.